Hi, welcome back. Today in this video, we'll talk about the next technique. Next technique is embrace nature. What is embrace nature? It means you have to connect to the nature. Like how? You can embrace nature by standing or walking on the ground barefoot for few minutes and feel that you are releasing all the negative energy into the ground from the sole of the feet and filled with positive energy from the cosmos. It's really good feeling. Try to walk on the ground barefoot for few minutes and feel the difference. Okay. Hope you are giving comments to my previous videos and expect comments for this video also. Thank you. We'll meet in the next video.